Hello. In this video, we are going to check out the best 5 dual action polisher review. We made this list based on our personal opinion that's a result of research for an hour. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification, and all other important facts. We've tried to select them from the various price ranges, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find the product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Best 5 Dual Action Polisher Review. On the top of our list at number 1, we have Griot's Garage 10813 SDDCRD 6 inches Random Orbital. Great technology and a powerful polisher with 850 watt motor. 10 feet power cord for easy and proper use. Make your experience safer and quicker with this best action polisher. Multi-use polisher that is very easy to operate. This is really a suitable one for the beginner and the design is helpful for them. Item number 2 is SureHold 3100 Dual Action Polisher. Quicker and very easy using polisher provides a great finish. Quick to change the pads. The 6-inch oscillating head is very helpful. 20 feet long power cord offers a maximum reaching. Quality is really great and users really enjoy this. 4.8 pounds weight is perfect for use. Long-lasting and reliable product. As item number 3, we selected Porter Cable 7424 XP 6-inch Variable Speed Polisher. From a reliable and popular brand that works really great. Easy and comfortable using with 2-position removable side handle. A great choice for sanding and polishing marine projects and automotive. Comes with a polishing pad, wrench, side handle, operating instruction. This is really a lightweight and highly portable polisher for a reasonable value. Item number 4 is Custom Shop Heavy Duty Variable Speed Polisher. Most useful features with good design, technology, and size. Very easy to use with the speed control dial. Really a powerful item with a polisher speed of 600 to 3000 revolutions per minute. Includes 3 pads, help to use a longer time. The adjustable handle on the left and right sides. The best dual action polisher with a powerful 11 amp, 1200 watt motor. And finally, item number 5 in our list is Flex XC3401 VRG Positive Drive Rotary. Powerful dual action polisher that is very easy to use. 10 feet power cord and 8 mm orbital movement are very useful. Quick and proper use with speed selection and accelerator trigger switch. Works great with orbital rotation. Great features of automatic switched off while the brushes wear down. Lightweight and highly portable item for perfect use.